Okay, I got this really dirty engine bay here. I'm going to use some of Gary Dean's Infinite Use Detailed Juice. I got my little sample here. I already have a little pre-soaked dilution made. I used 1 capful, which is a 1/4 of an ounce. I'm going to spray that on here and see how that dilution works. It doesn't seem like very much, but this stuff's supposed to be pretty strong, so I'm going to try that. And I got a little sprayer. Spray it down, see what happens. Okay, so I got this dilution made here. Just I'm going to spray this as a little pre-soak here. You can kind of see it's loosening up all the dirt. Now this is a cool motor. I let my truck cool down for a while before I started spraying this all over, and I'm probably going to avoid the battery. I got my green rags here. This is all from off-roading. Lots of mud out here. I didn't realize until I did my oil change how dirty this was getting. So I'll just spray this all down. You can see it's loosening up the dirt quite a bit. Not too bad. I used 16 ounces, so I've used about 6 ounces so far. Dilution here. That's why I decided to start using this product, because the dilution ratio is really good. You get more for your money, I feel. So what I'm gonna do next here is, I got my sprayer, just water here. I'm gonna fill it up to my 1 gallon mark, wherever that is. It's hard to see here with the light. And then I'm gonna add a 1/4 ounce, spray it down with this, and then wipe it. Well, spray some on a rag and wipe it. I think that's how I'm gonna do this, because I don't have a bucket full of water for rags right now. Okay, here we go. Well, the reason I use this pump sprayer is because I don't have a hose here. Okay, so I'm completely mobile and rinseless with this way. I use the Gary Dean wash method, and then I tweak a few things as needed. So this is going to be my little soak here. So this is a 1/2 ounce. I use a 1/2 ounce and just a dab, and I still have a decent amount left for a full rinseless wash on the truck once the weather actually gets better here. Okay, now I'm going to use this sprayer. It's going to have a bunch more. Pressure here to get all these little nooks and crannies a little better. Underneath the hood here, you can see immediately how it changes the dirt. Shake it up. Now that I did that, I'm gonna just soak a rag here quick. So what I like to do is just kind of fold the rag in and go like that. Mush it around and get it damp. That seems pretty good. It's not my paint, so I'm not as fussy as to how I'm gonna do it. I just want to wipe this heavy dirt off the plastics here and this inner paint, and we'll be fine. So just wiping all this dirt off. It's already looking better. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. I get rid of all the heavy mud, nothing crazy. I would like to use like a pressure washer with some low pressure, a different kind of way or something. I'm not 100% sure what the best way to do this is, but this makes me a little bit happier than looking at all that mud I had underneath there. It just comes up and gets all in there, so I figured something's better than nothing. But so far, the infinite use detailed use seems pretty cool. Can't wait to actually wash the truck with it. Just waiting for some better weather. It's going to rain in a couple of days here, so I'm not going to take my time and go through this and do it all, but I will make a video when I actually use it as a full rinseless wash, and we'll see what happens here.